Hey Nick, what do you think, buddy? First full day of spring, and it's snowing. Day off of school, day off of work. Hold on, bud. Unbelievable. It's March 21st, 2018, and it's snowing. Does that make any sense? Of course not. Come on down. Come on. So the kids are gonna come out and play. What else do you do when it's snowing in spring? You play in it. This is probably his first time really being in a, I guess, a substantial amount of snow. You like it, Nicholas? Yeah. Ben's getting ready. I think we're gonna make a snowman, so we'll check back for that. All right. Ben. Oh, what happened? You got stuck on ice? Nicholas, you couldn't come down? Nicholas, what are you doing? Nicholas, what are you doing? Get up, bud. Ben, keep pushing it. What are you doing, Ben? Oh boy. Snow Angel? Do it. Go. I'm going to do it when you come out.
Help me up.
Help you up? Yeah. Sure. You gonna make it, Snow Angel? Oh, there it is.
Yay!
All right, there goes Nick. Oh, hey. All right, Nicholas. This is great snow for snowman, snow angels, and sliding. Really good. Nicholas is loving it. All right, let me get back to my snowman.
No.
There's our snowman. What do you think of snowman, Ben? Is he good? Oh, are you giving him a kiss? Are you giving him a kiss? All right, there's our little snowman. Looking cool. Looks like a dog.
It's cute. It's little.
Yeah.
Wet snow.
Ah.
What a good boy.
Real cool. All right. Well, it's still coming down. Ben, you having fun? Yeah? Okay. Sounds good. Honey, what do you think? You want to be on video? You want to be on a video? You're never on our videos. It's coming down now. Ben, what do you think of the snow?
Papa! Stop seeing me!
Honey, what do you think of the snow? Look, she's ignoring me.
Edit that out, please.
This is for our family videos. Oh, all right. It's nice. Here comes Ben down the slide. Nice. You like it, Nicholas?
Your mom said the snowman looks like Lucy.
It does. I said it looked like a dog. You like the snowman? Ah. Here comes Ben again. Ben, which slide are you gonna go down? Which? All right. Go ahead. Cool. You like that? All right. Nicholas is inside his clubhouse. Yeah. Just another Friday night at the Carrick household. That's what the boys are doing. Ramming their heads into the side of the bouncy house. Don't ask me. This could end up bad. Guys, be careful. Don't run into each other, Ben. Oh, Nicholas. Oh, jeez. Is this fun, guys? Oh, my goodness. Oh. Oh, jeez. Oh, Nicholas. All right, guys. Well, this is what we got. Fun time for Friday night. Don't hurt yourself. Say bye-bye.